Hello guys, today I'll be showing you a video of how to make a Lego mini race car. You'll take a 10 by 2 flat, a piece like this, put it in front, like this, take a 2 by, take a 2 by half square it, take a 4 by 2 flat, place it on there, take a 4 by 1 piece flat, 2 of them, place it on the gray part, take square brick, place it so there's a little slit of it. And take a piece like this. Two of them. Place it so that on the flat side, and then take a piece like this, place it on there, then take a chair, place it in there, and I don't because it's not gonna work, and take a piece like this and 2 by 2 on each side, flat square piece, 2 of them, and 2 of these, stick them on, then place them under. So like this. Then take glass, then place it on that gray piece. Then moving on with a minute. Then take a steering wheel. No, take the glass piece off, take a steering wheel, place in that last little slit, and then take 2 by 2, half it, then place it in the last slot right there. Just doing it. So it's like that, and then moving on to place the wheels on, and that. Wait, no, that's not off. Back, take the glass piece, place it on the piece like that, and take your person, set it in, and then there you go. A mini car or a mini race car. Okay, that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!